We will be unboxing the newly released neck and shoulder massager. When you open the product box, USB-C charging cable, the main massager unit, and a Korean English manual are inside. After taking the product out, remove the protective film attached to the surface. Align the massager with your neck and shoulder line, and place it comfortably behind your neck. Pull both straps behind your back, and push the buckle in until it clicks into place. Press and hold the power mode button for 2 seconds to start the massage. If you want a deeper and more refreshing sensation, grab both handle straps and gently pull them forward. The massager will sit tighter against your body, allowing you to enjoy a much stronger massage. Upon default operation, it starts with the heating function turned off. If you press the heat button, the indicator light turns red, and the heating function turns on. Press it one more time, the light turns green, and the heating function smoothly turns off. With the hands-free back strap design, fastening the strap behind your back keeps the massager closely attached to your body. This frees up both hands, so you can get a massage and go about your daily life at the same time. When the massage begins, the default mode is the kneading mode. If you press the power mode button again, it switches to acupressure mode, and pressing it again switches back to kneading mode. With its heating function and strong power, it deeply relieves the rock-hard, tense muscles around your shoulders and neck all the way to the core. The 4 massage heads knead down to your shoulder blades, providing a deep massage that thoroughly cares for the stiffness in your upper back where your hands can't easily reach. Since it supports a USB-C port, it is compatible with your existing chargers, allowing for convenient charging. When the device's battery level is below 20%, the light blinks red. While charging, the light remains red. Once the battery is fully charged, the light turns green. Detailed information is provided in the enclosed manual. If you still have any questions, please contact Health Korea's customer service center at any time. Going beyond the limitations of previous models that only lightly relieve the back of the neck, it broadly wraps from the base of the neck, upper trapezius, down to the shoulder line. With a deep and firm trapezius massage, comfortably wrap up your exhausting day.